What does SSD even mean?
Okay, it means solid state drive. And all it's really referring to is its ability to transfer data more quickly with what it has on there. So like if you install a game on there via your PlayStation or Xbox, it's going to be able to access that game more quickly. So basically, long story short, load times in your games become much more quick with something like this. So if you are a gamer and you're using this to store games on it, maybe consider picking up the SSD version.
Yeah, I mean, well, and just anything is going to load faster. Videos, everything. SSDs are way faster than traditional hard drives. And do you see how small it is? Like, you could like slip this one in your back pocket. Regular hard drives have a thing that's spinning around in the middle of it, like a physical thing spinning around in the middle of it with a reader that reads the data, sort of like a record player. These solid state drives don't have anything that's physically moving inside of the device, so they're much smaller and they're much faster and much more compact and way better for travel purposes. Not to mention, the SSD version works with USB 3.0, Mac and Windows. So if you can afford to go to solid state drive, I would highly recommend going up to solid state just because the data transfer rates are so much better. Really quick, gaming creators, if you have not already entered our $1,100 Gaming Creator Bundle sweepstakes, you got to do it. Link in the description below. It includes Rode, who hooked us up with this Rode Procaster microphone, shock mount, boom arm, and the mixer to go with it. If you want to sound this good, let me just show you the package. It's freaking great. Take a look. It also includes this mixer right here, which is arguably the highest end creator mixer on the market. Plus, our friends at TubeBuddy threw in a Legend license if you want to step up your YouTube channel management game, and Restream threw in a license as well if you want to stream to multiple platforms at the same time and grow through live streaming faster. This costs $0 to enter. Link in the description below. If you want to enter the sweepstakes, if you want to sound this good, the exact package we use on the podcast every single day, and the tools we use to manage our channels and help our clients, all free as a part of this sweepstakes. Good luck. I hope you win. Adios, gaming creators. Appreciate you.